Hello, welcome to Mind Relax Travel. Today I am going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at your home. Due to this pandemic situation, we have to use hand sanitizer frequently. Hand sanitizer is the most easiest way to get protection from coronavirus. These days, hand sanitizer making company charge higher price for their product. The special thing is hand sanitizer over 60 to 70% alcoholic percentage and 30 to 40% moisturizing percentage have to maintain. Today we will show you how to make low cost WHO recommended hand sanitizer at your home. This is not harm your skin. We need isopropyl alcohol, 1 or 2-inch aloe vera stick, hair conditioner, and optional glycerin and vitamin E. If you need to change color of your hand sanitizer, you can use food color. I'm not promoting brand or any other things. These ingredients you can buy pharmacy or supermarket. Keep watching full video. I have mentioned all the steps and all the ingredients on my description box. Let's start. Please subscribe Mind Relax Travel for future videos.